Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I went to the flea market in Montreal and I got some nice cars. So today we're gonna take a look at them and see what I got. First car we got is this nice looking, let's take a look at the bottom, Land Rover Discover 2004. Very nice. It's not a Hot Wheels, but let's take a look at what the brand is. This is Motor Max, but look at that, very cool. Very cool Land Rover, has some very nice headlights on it. Pretty small car too, so look at that. Put it on the side. Next we got this funny looking car. It is a Maisto Chrysler Plower or something. But all I know is that this thing has a very interesting jawline, so that's pretty cool. I love the orange on this car, and you know, it looks like a pretty nice car to drive. Just like, ooh. Love the orange, and I love like the weird like kind of triangle shape, but look at that. Oh, very nice. Put it on the side. Next, we got a Volvo, which I already have. A Volvo 8050 Estate, which I have, but I got it for a deal. So it came with this thing, but I'll talk about that later. Here it is, pretty cool. Red color, very nice black line going around the car. Has some very nice tampos, some chrome wheels, but yeah, overall, pretty cool car. Okay, next car we got is, this is called the Wind Spinner, which kind of looks like an Alfa Romeo from the front or a BMW. I really love the old rims because that's why I bought it. I only bought it because of old rims, and this is very old car, so look at that. Very cool, like, kind of air cooler system. Some very nice kind of lightning strikes on it, very nicely lime green, some chrome wheels. The bottom looks very weird, kind of. This is just Hot Wheels Wind Spinner. 1982, blacked out bottom. Very cool car. Alright, let's take a look at the next car. This one's pretty cool. This is a fantasy car. It's called the 1/4 Mile Coupe. So very cool car from the Millennium era. I really love the yellow color on this car and all the mufflers coming out of the side. Looks very like it looks very like a kind of like a hot rod. Well, it is a hot rod. Very cool cooler. It has the same jawline as that car. Has some pretty nice chrome wheels and kind of like a beach vibe. There's the big engine in the front with the big rotor on the front there. We got the cooler right there. Still, this thing is just like a pretty cool car. Even for a fantasy casting, this is very cool. Take a look at that. Let's put it here on the side. Next car we're going to take a look at is a Toyota Supra, but is not. It's a Super Taisami or, it's okay. But anyways, Tsunami. But this is actually a Toyota Supra. This is like, they're going to turn this into a Toyota Supra, but they decided to turn to a fantasy casting. You can kind of see from the front in the little like air coolers there. It kind of looks like a Supra, but yeah, I'm still going to consider it as a Supra, but still pretty cool car. Look at that. Very nice red color. Has some nice tampos on the side of the car, and the front looks pretty nice. Take a look at that. Very nice cherry red and a big spoiler at the back just sticking there. Ooh. Let's put it right there. Next, we got this nice old Ferrari. It is just says 1988. Very nice metal bottom. The back of the car is missing, but that's okay. It says Ferrari on the side, 40 years, and pretty cool headlights too. I think this is the Ferrari F40, if the back wasn't missing, but it says 40 on the side too. So this is the Ferrari F40, because I can see the top headlights too. Very nice wheels, has the classic retro wheels. I wish this thing had the rest of it, but I bought it because it is a Ferrari and they do not make Ferraris anymore. And, you know, Hot Wheels brand, so they stopped licensing Ferrari. So take a look at that. I wish the back of the car was still here, but it's sad. Next we got this is I think this is a Lamborghini. I researched online, it says 1988. Very cool body on the bottom of the car, very cool here. But it says this is a GT racer, and people keep on saying this is a Lamborghini, which looks like more like a Porsche. I really love the like kind of slick, narrow design with the nice yellow lime or lemon color. Very nice green on it. It says 5 GT. Some chrome rims which are a bit faded out. Look at that. Hot Wheels has some very nice designs going through the car. There's nothing on the back or anything on the front, but still a pretty cool casting to have. So yeah, let's put it right there. And then for our last car, this is another Ferrari. This is, what is this? A Ferrari F35 Challenger. Very cool Ferrari. I love the kind of just simple design. Same rims as the Lambo. We got this Ferrari on it with the nice Italian flag on it. Racing number 1 with the checkered flag. Very nice green and kind of white stripes going down the car. Kind of make the Italian flag with red, green, and white. Take a look at the interior. Nice white color. And a very nice spoiler at the back with the old retro Hot Wheels logo. There is no back headlight tampos, but still pretty cool underbody. But yeah, very nice car. Ferrari. Alright, for now, the last item we got is this big Goodyear carrier. Sticker's about to fall off, but I got it for, you know, still pretty cool. So let's open it up and take a look. Oh, it's like, look at that. You can fit lots of cars in it. You can stand it like this or something. I don't know. Look at that. Very cool. You can put your cars inside like that, and you can close it up and it'll stay on the side. Look at that. That is very cool. I just washed it, so it might be a little bit wet, so. It says lace or case. Yeah, car case. Take along. It says Goodyear on it, a nice big wheel. Racing team. So I guess this was intended for kids, but I am a kid. But if we can take a look here, it says 1999 on it. Right there, 1999. So this thing is pretty old, like, well, yeah. Look at that. It opens like this. It kind of opens like the old Hot Wheels case, original one. Pretty cool. You can just put your castings in there. It's not really good for keeping your cars in good condition, but it still gets the job done. But yeah, guys, today I just wanted to show you all the things I got from the flea market. So yeah. Montreal Flea Market. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the next episode. Bye.